How to fix current payment / transfer failed error. First, if you're having any kinds of problem while making transactions on the current app, you want to simply make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your cellular data or Wi-Fi is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. Doing so, you shouldn't be facing any network issues while making transactions. And if that was not the problem, tap on your current application and hold on it and click on remove app to delete the app from your device. After that, you want to install the app again from the App Store. Here you want to search in current. Tap on this download option to download the app again, and you shouldn't be facing any problems the next time you're making transactions since restarting the application fixes most of the errors. However, if you're still having any problems while making transactions, you can simply restart your device once, and if that doesn't solve the problem, you can contact the current support system by going to, and here you want to type in current and click on search. After that, you want to scroll down and you'll be able to see and after you scroll down for a bit, you'll see the official current website. Simply tap on it. Here you want to scroll down all the way, and here if you scroll down, you'll see an help section over here. And by tapping on contact us, you'll be able to contact the support team and ask for help from there. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.